Have you been spending hours practicing piano between lessons, but making little or no progress at all? Or do you find yourself making the same mistakes, becoming frustrated, or even questioning your ability to improve? Here's the thing. Most students don't struggle and give up because they lack ability. They struggle because they are practicing incorrectly. You see, constantly playing through the piece at full speed and hoping the mistakes will resolve themselves will never give you the desired result. But it will definitely lead to many wasted hours of your life, mounting frustration, and a sense of burnout. In this mini course, I will share with you my proven 3-step practice method, a structured approach that consistently delivers reliable and lasting results. I will teach you how to quickly and accurately identify every challenge in any piece of any size and difficulty, how to rectify all mistakes before they set in and start causing trouble, and how to achieve performance without errors at concert speed in record times. By using my method, you will transform your daily practice into focused and productive work, regaining 100% control over your daily practice. So if you are tired of practicing piano for many hours without any result, and you want to wow your teacher, your friends, and most importantly, yourself with massive progress in the shortest times, then this mini course is definitely for you. The course is arranged in 2 parts. Part 1 explains key concepts such as error consolidation, maladaptive plasticity, and conscious chunking. Part 2 contains the remaining lessons, with each one dedicated to a single step of the 3-step method. Lesson 1 will teach you how to process the score and prepare your music effectively. Lesson 2 will teach you how to practice problem areas using chunking. And Lesson 3 will show you how to assemble your piece into a stable and confident performance. The course includes a detailed ebook which covers all the information presented in the videos. You will also receive a practice diary which you can use for reflection on your progress. There is also a checklist to track each step as you complete it. And every lesson comes with additional useful printout materials to support your practice. To get the most out of this course, you must follow the directions exactly and avoid skipping any steps. Do not set time limits on how quickly you should complete each stage. Everyone learns differently. Some tasks you might complete within an hour, while others could take a week or even a couple of months. Be patient with yourself. You will find you progress faster as you settle into a consistent routine.